Ever dragged a ticket straight to resolved only to realize it still needed work? Let's end those oops moments with transition rules. Transition rules lock in your ideal ticket journey, so agents move issues through the right stages, no shortcuts, no surprises. From any help desk, click More, then Configuration, then hit Transition Rules. The panel splits in two. Stages list on the left, on the right, outgoing stages up top, and incoming stages below. Choose a stage. Let's start with To Do. Toggle the stages it's allowed to move out to, and which ones can move in. No save button needed. Each toggle is live instantly, and Stocky Desk updates related stages behind the scenes. Here's a fresh help desk before rules. Tickets can jump anywhere. Watch this. Now, with our rules applied, tickets follow the roadmap. That error queue keeps agents honest, ensuring every request completes the proper life cycle. Ready to bulletproof your workflow? Hop into your help desk, craft those transition rules, and watch ticket quality skyrocket. Smash like, subscribe, and hey, set your first rule today.